Hey Weezettes, it's Weezy, the sexy grandma 2K. And sis, I thought I would do real quick a little get unready with me. So I got a new product and I just wanted to try it out. So the product that I have is called the Makeup Eraser. This is what it looks like. Now, I heard about the makeup eraser from my girl, Wigs to Waist Length. I was on one of her lives and she mentioned a makeup eraser. And I was like, what is a makeup eraser? And so she told me. And I thought, I'm finna go to my favorite store, Amazon, and get me one and see if it really, really works. Okay, so here's what they say about it. It's the original, you can see that, makeup eraser. So evidently they have some that are kind of like knockoffs, but I got this one. I'll leave all the details in the description box below. It says that it's antibacterial, reusable. It lasts 3 to 5 years. It's great for sensitive skin and it saves money. And in this little circle up here, it says that this is equal to 3,600 makeup wipes. So this contains just one makeup eraser cloth. Okay, now what it also says about it is special blend of polyester. It works like a suction cup. It's made up of millions of tiny hair-like fibers, 10 to 50 times thinner than a human hair. Adheres to makeup and gently pulls it up and out of the skin. It's vegetarian and vegan friendly, free of alcohol, oils, astringents, parabens, dyes, fragrances, and sulfates. No more wipes. Cruelty free. Okay, you guys, I got the directions. I opened it up and it had directions in it. Okay, so it says how to use. So first thing you're supposed to do that we're not going to do is machine wash hot and dry with towel load, fabric softener, and dry your sheet safe. It says what you're supposed to do is soak it in warm water. The warmer, the wetter, the better. Then you're supposed to use the short fiber side to erase makeup in gentle circular motions and flip to the long fiber side, the side with the tag, to exfoliate. Continue in gentle circular motions. And on here it says, how do I remove waterproof eye makeup? Because that's one of the claims that it's supposed to do that. So it comes in all of these colors, I guess. And we got the pink one, is what I ordered today. It says ultra soft, exfoliant, and erase. Okay, so let me unpack it because I'm taking too long. I do have a big bowl of warm water here that I ran the hot water in the sink and then I put it in the microwave for a couple of minutes. So hopefully it don't burn the skin off my face. Let's see, this is what it's looking like. Okay, it's got, okay, I guess this is the short fibers on this side. Can y'all see that? And then you flip it over here and hopefully you guys can see that's supposed to be like the longer fibers. And so the long side is supposed to be to exfoliate and the short side is to erase makeup. Okay, y'all ready? Y'all ready to dive in? First, sis, let me get these eyelashes off and then we'll get going. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and put this in the water so it can be soaking while I take my lashes off. I didn't know. Yeah, I did a little extra. Got a big bowl of water here. Gonna go ahead, put it in there, let it soak. Hopefully it won't be a big deal that I didn't wash it first. And I always clean my lashes off when I take them off. I'm gonna cover this up with a towel so it stays hot. Y'all, and I always save my eyelash case so that I can put my lashes back in it every night. And all I'm doing is just picking like the glue off or any eyeshadow that may be on here. Actually, I have a whole video that I did on how to clean your lashes. And I will leave a link to that right up here. And also, you guys, I have a video on how to apply lashes within seconds. And what I'll do with that is leave an end card at the end of this video. You just click it, sis, and it'll show you, girl, how to pop these lashes right on and get on down the street living your life. Okay? Okay, y'all ready? Okay, this also claims that it's supposed to take waterproof mascara, eyeliner off, and lipstick. So I'm trying to see, I am supposed to squeeze the water out, ain't I? So this is, oh, I think the side with the tag on it, it said, is the exfoliant side. So here we go. Y'all ready? I'm going to do one side first. Now I said lay it on the eye for about 5 seconds. 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5, 1,000. I'm going to give them a couple extra seconds. It said circular motions. Heck no. This stuff coming right off. That ain't nothing. Look how good it cleaned that off. Guys, this thing is so soft. I really like it. It feels much better than, you know, them harsh makeup wipes. Let's see about the lipstick. Y'all ready? Y'all ready for me to move this? See if it works? Bam. Okay, now I got all this makeup all over this towel. You all, look at that. I know y'all see it. Of course, I couldn't get the makeup out just by rinsing it. I don't know, that'll probably work my last nerve, but let's do the other side. 5. Oh, wait, 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5, 1,000, 6, 1,000, 7, 1,000. That's about how long I gave the other side. Okay, start moving it in circular motions. Y'all ready for the great reveal? This thing is so soft. I'm not even kidding. This feels much better than a makeup wipe. Y'all. Girl, get your life. Look at that. This is crazy. Now on this one, I do have just a little bit of glue left. But on this one, not really. Just on my lash. Oh, hold on, let me get... Girl, this finna be a winner chicken dinner. I'm finna order me another one right now before I drop this video. Oh my God, that feels... This is... Look at that. This wasn't nothing but some water. What is supposed to be the exfoliant side. Yeah, the exfoliant side does feel a little rougher than the short one side, but it's still soft. I'm shook. I am freaking shook. You guys know I've been using the Fenty Skin. Hang on for the video, sis. It's coming, I promise. I'm going to take some of my little toner and I'm going to wipe it on my face and just see if we get any makeup. Y'all, look at this. I'm shook for real. Look how easy that came off. Okay, so it's just, and you're not even really supposed to put this on, but we'll talk about it when I do the review. But I'm just putting it on for these purposes of seeing did this thing really work. Y'all ready? See the great reveal? Girl, it worked. Like, that's nothing. Like, that is just some little residual from my pink eyeshadow look. Yep. Gonna go order another one. This thing worked. Mika, Wigs to Waist Length. Thank you so much for putting your girl on. I absolutely love this thing. I mean, I can't... It takes your makeup off so easy. Your face don't feel raw. It's soft as all get out. This will definitely replace my makeup wipes, y'all. Like, definitely for taking my makeup off at night. This is not a sponsored video. This thing is great. All right, you guys have a blessed day. And remember, sis, what I always say, show somebody a little piece of heaven today. This is Weezy, the sexy grandma 2K. And I'm going to see you guys on the next video. If you're not subscribed to the channel, come on and join the Weezette squad. Push that subscribe button. Make sure you share and comment below, guys. Love you all. Mwah. Good night.